We come on time. Because we can see, we're going to see how we can describe the characters in the story. Maybe there's one main character, maybe there's more. All right. We sit in a line. It can take gas and time. We do not need to be late. Okay, so far it looks like a school, right? Jan and Pete can take a bus. Kim does not have to ride. So far we have some names. Jan, Pete, Kim. Kim does not see Pete. Tom can ride a red bike. He can go up, 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 but it is quick ride to get back home. Dad has a job at a dock. He can take Tim in a van. Tim will not come late. If it is wet, a van can help. Dad can fit 5 in the van. Dad can help a kid who does not have a ride. If it is not wet, we do not ride. Lee and Kim can run, run, run. Pat can zip, zip quick too. We come in at the same time. We get in and sit on time. Pat can get in line quick. All right, so that was the story. So in this story, we have different characters. I don't really see a main character. Maybe the little boy here, Tim, he could be the main character with his dad because they help out everybody to get to school without getting wet when it's raining. So let me go ahead and start showing you how we're gonna write this. Okay, so I have my name here. Please write your name. Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2020. We're looking at the characters in a story. Let me see. Okay, everything looks good. Lower this, lower this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start writing here so you can start seeing. So give me 1 second. So the story. In the story, comma, there are a lot of characters. We can guess that Tim is the main character. His dad, we can capitalize dad, gives, or instead of gives, we can write help. Helps the other kids. Helps the kids get to school on time. Right underneath that, I want you to draw one of the characters from the story. So I think one of them was in the very beginning in the bus. Let me go ahead. You can draw Jan or Pete. Remember, I'm going to draw the bus seat. Or you could pick one of the other kids that were running inside before it rained. So here, I'm going to try my best to draw. There's a little boy. There was the little girl here with the piggy tails. So I think it was, you can draw Pete was the boy. Pete, Jan, or you could draw another character from the story. So I know my writing hasn't shown up yet on the screen. So just give it a minute. Let me refresh my page. I know it's going to move all over the place, but let's just be patient with it. My computer does take time. I already drew it down, wrote it down. It's just my computer's a little slow, so just be patient with me. I know it's showing some things that we worked on yesterday, so just give it a minute. Thank you so much for waiting. I know it does take some time. Okay, we're going to make it smaller so it can fit. Give it a minute. I know it looks kind of crazy. All right, characters in the story. In the story, there are a lot of characters. We can guess that Tim is the main character. His dad helps the kids get to school on time. So you can see I drew some of the characters in the story. I drew Pete and Jan, which were, not the main characters in the story, but one of the many characters that we saw in the beginning in the bus. You can draw different characters that you see in the story. If you want to add an additional sentence describing one of the characters in the stories, you can do that as well.